Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about a new feature that was added in Vegas Pro 21, and so this script will only work in Vegas Pro 21 or newer. And so if you try this script in an older version, it simply will not work and will probably give you an error message because most of my scripts we've designed to work in Vegas Pro 14 or newer. This one's not that way. You're going to need Vegas Pro 21 to do it. So what this script is going to do is add a new video adjustment event to a selected track on the timeline at the cursor location. So let's see how we can do that. Here's the script we're looking at today, and as with all of our scripts, we begin with all of our usings, then our namespace and our public class, and then we set our Vegas variable, and then we have our main routine, and our first line is to set my Vegas equal to Vegas. Now we're going to go for each track, my track, in myvegas.project.tracks. If this is a video track and it is selected, then we want to add a video adjustment event at the cursor location. So we create a new video adjustment event, which I've just called VA event, and this is a new video adjustment event. The first thing it wants is the project, so we just put in myvegas.project. Then it needs the location on the timeline where that's going to be, and so we're going to get that from the cursor location. So we just set it to myvegas.transport.cursor position. Then we want to know how long this event is going to be. In this case, I just set it to 10 seconds. So we get timecode.fromSeconds10, and then a name for this event. And I just called it adjustment event. Then for the selected track, we're going to add this new event. So my track.events.add, and we're adding the VA event. And then that's all we need to do. It's going to go through the rest of the tracks. So if you have multiple selected tracks, it will add it multiple times. And then, of course, down the stuff bottom we don't see often, we have our entry point and our from Vegas, which passes us the Vegas variable that we used above, and then our calling to the code above. So let's see how that works in Vegas. So here we have a Vegas project with two video tracks. If I click on this first video track, we run the script. You will see we now have an adjustment event on this timeline. If I have both tracks selected, and we run this script again, you will see that the adjustment event was added on both tracks. As I said, this script will only work in Vegas Pro 21 because we're adding a new Vegas Pro 21 feature to the timeline. And so if you need to add an adjustment event to a bunch of places and you want just a quick button that you can push, you could add this script to a button on the toolbar, and you could easily add an adjustment event then at the cursor location with just the touch of a button. Hope you find this script useful, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Like, subscribe, leave comments, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.
Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.